Hi guys, Manan. I came for a good expedition in Amazon. Took the Joshua's one through TripAdvisor. I didn't expect a lot, but it was amazing. 3 nights, 4 days was good. Really good lodge they have, the Tuscan Lodge, where we stayed, and we did a lot of good things. We went into the forest, did expedition. We saw snakes, we saw monkeys, we saw like spiders, these kind of things. Very beautiful, and a lot of bird watching. We also saw jacare, the alligator that lives in Amazon. We also had some good fun swimming with the dolphins. A huge lake, just going into the water and then like feeding the dolphins, swimming with them. It was fun. It's raining and sunny all the time. It's sun and rain all the time. It's kind of the rainforest. We went into the jungle when it was wet and raining, so it's an amazing feeling, like being in the wet, like wearing your raincoat, going through that. It was really good. The guide was really good. We had a guide called Osma. He was amazing. He's a native indigenous person. We had that experience, and then he took and showed the indigenous people their dance culture. It was really fun. I had a good time, and my girlfriend Bruna, my wife Bruna, we've been having a really fun time here. Thank you, Joshua.